Hello guys, this is Alex the Grumpy Mechanic again, and this is a video on removal of spark plugs and replacement on a Nissan Qashqai 2011. This is petrol engine obviously. This is what you want to get to, but obviously to get to that you have to remove the whole air intake, throttle body, covers, dipstick and that pipe there. So you start by removing the cover. It's only held by two 10mm bolts. They go in there. They're going to go on top of that air intake. Next thing will be disconnecting these clips and pipes with that one and that one. They're going to go there. Then you remove this by using a screwdriver. That comes off. The next thing will be these long 8mm bolts that hold your throttle body to the intake. There's 4 holes to remove them all. Once you remove them, there's going to be a 10mm bolt going in there holding the air intake, that one there for the engine, and then you're going to have another one there, another 10mm. Once you remove them, you have to remove all the 10mm here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the dipstick. Then you have to disconnect this plug, this air vacuum hose, disconnect that as well, and disconnect this pipe that's gonna go there to your crank ventilation. Once you've done that, just make sure you're careful, don't catch any wiring, and remove the whole thing. Make sure you don't lose any of the rubber seals. Make sure they're all on there. Then you need 10mm to undo them. Already done that. 10mm. Remove the coils, unplug them. It's quite easy. So just unplug them and remove the whole thing. And to remove the plugs, they're not ordinary socket. You need 14mm for that. Quite thin that will be. That's what I used. Make sure you got rubber on there, so you grab the plugs. Make sure you tighten them up. If you're using torque wrench, it's about 18-20 Newton meters, and you're gonna need them plugs because they're platinum. They're quite expensive plugs. This is the code for them. So that's the plugs you're gonna need. 4 of them, and then you just install everything back on. Make sure you tighten them up. Don't tighten them too much because they're all plastic. The same for this. Don't do more than 15-18 Newton meters on them. That's for the air intake. And make sure you plug everything back on, all them pipes, and bolt that on. While you're there, you can clean it up a bit because this one's getting a bit dirty. So if you got any carb cleaner, you can clean them up. That's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, comment, ask me questions. I'll do more videos for you.